Hello, dear students of class 10th Geography. I wish that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty God. I am Dr. Satyendra Dev, your geography teacher. In your course, the book prescribed is ICSE Geography for class 10th, and the publisher is Goyal Brothers Prakashan. The first chapter deals with topography, in which you will have to read these topography maps. Topography is derived from two words, topo plus graphy. Topo means land and graphy means to study. These topography maps are also known as survey maps. These topography maps were prepared by British government after the physical survey of the entire Indian subcontinent. Here you can see a topography sheet. It is known as three-dimensional map. You can see a relief feature with its shape, size and height. These maps are prepared with certain symbols and signs, which are followed internationally. With the help of these symbols and signs, a lot of place is saved to provide a lot of information. These symbols are provided here at the bottom of the topo sheet. Study them carefully to read the topography maps. These symbols will help you to read the map easily. Now I will discuss with you the questions based on topography. So listen carefully. The first question based on topography is of scale. Scale, all the maps are drawn on the certain scale. The three scales are provided on the topo sheet. The first scale is known as RF. RF means representative fraction. You can see on the bottom of topo sheet the figure 1:50,000 is written, which means 1 centimeter on the map is represented by 50,000 centimeter on the ground. Scale is the ratio of distance between 2 points on the map with the corresponding distance of same points on the ground. This is the definition of the scale. It can be asked in the paper that what do you mean by scale? What do you mean by RF? These questions are possible questions in your exams. This scale further can be explained as 1 centimeter equals 500 meters. If you convert 50,000 centimeter into meter, 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. 100, if you divide by 100, it will come 500 meters, or 500 meter is equal to half kilometer. 1 kilometer has 1000 meters, or we can say 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. This is the scale of a topo sheet. This is very important. Many questions are based on this scale on the topo sheet. Second scale on the topo sheet you can see is shown with the help of a line below RF. This line is divided at the interval of 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. At the end it shown 7 kilometer at the interval of 2 centimeter each. To the left hand side it is 2 centimeter is divided in 10 parts. Every part is of 100 meters. 10 parts into 100 equals 1000 meters, which is equal to 1 kilometer. By this scale you can measure the distance between 2 points in kilometer or in meter. In board exams, questions are asked to measure the distance between two objects or two settlements. For example, I saw you can see the different names on the topo sheet. Here it is Gangodhara, and here it is Rajkot, and down if you see a little up you can see Ganguwada. Between these settlements a red line is shown. This red line is for cart track. It is also a symbol. With the help of single red line we show the cart track. In the villages still we have the cart tracks on which we have the bullock cart or any cart which is pulled by the animal. So between these two settlements a red line which is cart track. Over this line you can place a thread and you can measure its distance. Suppose it comes 7 centimeter. Our scale is 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. So 7 centimeter divided by 2, it will come 3.5 kilometer. So the distance from Rajkot to Ganguwada is 3.5 kilometer. This is known as the scale. The third scale on the topo sheet is a statement scale. Statement scale is known as verbal scale. It is given on the topo sheet towards right as 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. So dear students, how many types of scales are given on the topo sheet? There are 3 types of scales are given over topo sheet, which I have explained above. One more important question on topo sheet is, which is the internationally followed scale? Question is, which is internationally followed scale? Answer is RF. RF scale is internationally followed. The next question on topo sheet I will discuss in the next class. Thank you. May God bless you. Learn well. If you have any problem, you can contact to me. Thank you.